Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY bags for August and September. So if you'd like to see everything that I got, please keep watching. Just a little disclaimer, I am part of IPSY Open Studios, so they do send these to me. And I mentioned IPSY long before I worked with them. I used to purchase it myself, the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus, and then they reached out to me and made me a part of Open Studios. So again, this is all sent to me, but I love IPSY, so I just wanted to let you guys know. So let's start off with August. So this is what it looks like. And then it always comes with like a little card with a theme, and August theme was Wanderlust. It says recharge, reset, and go off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients. Go wild with manis. Try techniques that soothe your skin and mind. Your greatest adventure starts with you. Okay, let's start off with this little bag here. Super cute. It's like an envelope bag. I love these little things, especially for like traveling. They're perfect to put like makeup, skincare, whatever in and throw in your purse or your bag. So the first thing in here is from 111 Skin. This is the Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream. This is what it looks like. It says apply in a small circular motions at night after cleansing and toning. Yeah, I've gotten a few things from 111 Skin. 111 Skin. I thought I said 5. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. I love skincare. I've been really into skincare lately. Then this is the Verso Facial Cleanser for daily use. This is what it looks like. It says gentle facial cleanser. Next, I got the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, brightening and firming. Ooh. I don't think I've ever tried an eye mask. Let me just rub off all my nose makeup. Ooh, I'm excited for that. And then I have the, I've seen this all over TikTok. This is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Cream, I guess. It's in the shade Work. Literally everybody on my TikTok uses these milk makeup things. So that's the shade right there. It's like stuck on there. There we go. Oh, it got smashed in the lid. That's why it was stuck. Okay, I'm just going to leave the lid off. So let's swatch it. Because now I have a huge glob in there. Ooh, it's really creamy. That's what it looks like. It smells really good too. It's like the perfect blush and lip shade, honestly. That's really pretty. I also have an affiliate link in my description box if you guys want to sign up for IPSY. I love like pretty much everything that comes in my boxes. Then the last thing is from the Balm, and this is the Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. And this is in the shade Bellini, so I'm assuming it's a liquid eyeshadow, right? Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. Super glittery. Could probably put some on right now. Ooh. Just added a little something. Like, it looks really good on top of this dark eyeshadow, but I think it would look really good by itself too. Or just on top of any kind of eyeshadow you were wearing. Okay, so that's everything in the little bag. Okay, so moving on to the main box, we have the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. I've tried this before. I like it. This is in the shade Black. Next, we have the Lauren Conrad, the eyeliner. This is in the shade Onyx. It says perfectly lined, line your lashes with rich color that stays true through wear with its lightweight, not smearing formula. So this is what it looks like. I've been getting quite a few things from Lauren Conrad. I had no idea that she had her own makeup line. I think I have like a gloss or something, so maybe I could sit down and try out a few of her things in one video. I believe this is like a felt tip pen. Next, we have the Murad Hydration Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. It says this is the step 2 treat, I believe. To use AM and PM, massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. Intensely hydrating serum relieves dry, sensitive skin. Hyaluronic acid supports skin's ability to retain moisture, and chamomile extracts help soothe skin. I need this. I'm getting like really dry here. think it's from me laying out. But yeah, I want to try this out. I'm using the Murad Hydrating Toner Mist right now, so I might incorporate this into my skincare routine next. Super excited for this. I wanted it when I first saw it launch and I just never got it, and it showed up in IPSY. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop, nourishing and soothing. You guys know I love lip balms, lip masks, everything. So this is the shade Watermelon Pink. Oh, how cute is this packaging? Let me just get this out without breaking. Looks like there's little kind of chunks of watermelon in it, possibly. If you've ever smelled the Glow Recipe like watermelon, like I think it's called, I know they have a Glow Recipe watermelon moisturizer in like some kind of mask on top that you put as like a last step. I just can't remember what it's called. Oh my god, it smells so good. I cannot wait for this. Like I said, I love any kind of lip products. Next I have this Posh powder palette from Douche? I feel like I tried a mascara from them a long time ago that I really liked. Doucce. I think that's what it says. This is what it looks like. And this is the palette. Oh, pretty. It's giving me like NARS vibes. So we have some, looks like pressed highlighters on the top row. And then 3, I mean, to me those look like blushes, but they might be bronzers. Face, blush, and highlighter palette. So yeah, blush and highlighters. They look really pretty. Like I said, it looks like NARS to me. And then this is the bigger bag for the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Moving on to September's box. It's like Christmas every time these show up. So September's theme is back to work, school, and life. Whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on a much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things style, work, school, life. That's September's theme. Start off with this. Perfect schoolgirl vibes, like private school vibes, I guess. Super cute bag though. Okay, so the first thing in here, this looks gorgeous. What is this? So this is the Nebula, I never say that right. This is the Shine Theory lip gloss. Ooh, pretty. This is in the shade Renaissance. Look how pretty that looks. I like the packaging. Then we have Girlactik Glow on the Go. This is in the shade Jet Setter. And this is gently swipe and blend with your fingers across each cheekbone, down the bridge of your nose, below your eyebrow bone. So this must be like a liquid highlighter, I guess. Let's see. Oh, so it's like a highlighter crayon. I haven't used one of these in a while. Pretty, pretty. Next we have H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. I don't think I've heard of this brand. Then we have the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I remember I tried this when it first launched, but it's been a while, so I'm excited to try this again. This says Bigger, Badder Volumizing Mascara. And then that's everything in this little bag. Okay, moving on to this, the rest of the box. This is the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. So we have this. My hair needs all the help it can get, so I'm willing to try anything. Then we have the El Maquillage Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. And this is, I think this is in the shade The Real Deal. Yes, okay, let's see what this looks like. Ooh, this is like heavy duty. This feels really luxurious. Kind of reminds me of, I think it's Estee Lauder maybe. Ooh, look at these. That's pretty. We've got 2 shimmer shades and 2 matte shades. I love this packaging. It's like really nice and heavy. Next we have the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray. I don't think I've heard of this brand, but I'm all for anything that's going to give me some hydration. We have another thing from 111 Skin. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. This is what this looks like. This ultra hydrating concentrate provides an instant moisturization boost to quench and replenish dry and dehydrated skin. After use, the complexion will appear plump, conditioned, and rejuvenated. Shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops in the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer or apply directly to skin after cleansing. So it is going to start to get colder here before too long, so I'm definitely going to need all the help I can get to for my skin. Then we have the Murad Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. My skin's been pretty good, but I got a random pimple like right on my nose and then right around here, but that's usually all I get. So yeah, I definitely need something that's like a spot treatment though. So this came at perfect time. Plus, the colder it gets, the more my skin gets dry and just like, So this says reduces blemish size and redness within 4 hours. Has 2% salicylic acid treatment. This says apply a thin layer on affected areas 1 to 3 times daily or as needed. So that definitely came at the most perfect time. Then we have 2 face masks. This is from eNature, Sika Herb Restore Sheet Mask. This is a skin relief facial mask, soothing and softening for all skin types. We have this one, and then we have the Squeeze Green Watery Sheet Mask, Skin Refresh Facial Mask, moisturizing and refining with kale, parsley, and chlorophyll. That's like that green stuff everybody puts in their drinks, I think. That I see on TikTok all the time. So, and then the bag for September, the bigger one, just looks like this. Super cute. So that's everything for my August and September IPSY Glam bags. Big shout out to IPSY for sending it to me. Thank you so much. Let me know what you guys think of the boxes in the comments below, and let me know if you guys are subscribed for your monthly IPSY as well. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.